Up, up, up. Get your booty. It's okay, baby. Look at Mama. Ooh. Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to take you through a productive day in my life. This month we've been doing dog training for Clover, and so my mornings have been taken up with dropping her off at different places, different parks, so that she can be training out in the real world and encounter, dogs walking by and practicing not barking, not pulling, and all those things. And this is the final week of training, and so far it has been amazing. So while Clover's training, Luna and I have some mama and daughter time, one-on-one time, and it's such a wonderful way to start my day. There's just something so beautiful about Austin, the way the downtown city intersects the water and the beautiful trails. It's my favorite thing about living here. I'm gonna make a smoothie and then get to work. So I'm at my desk, I've got my smoothie, and I'm going to dive into some writing. I'm working on my Simplify and Thrive course, and it just takes a lot of focus, deep focus. So I'm gonna put on my headphones, put on a deep work playlist on Spotify, which is just ambient music. I can't listen to any music with lyrics because then I can't write or concentrate. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and I'll check back in with you all for lunch. We get this bi-weekly, and then we just sent this container out on our doorstep and they drop us a new one, so there's no waste. Everything is reusable, which I really appreciate. Also, it has saved us money because we don't go to the grocery store hardly ever anymore, and if we do, we just order a few like snacks and things for delivery. Just with the pandemic, we want to limit our store time, so this has been a great solution for that. Normally I would take the carrots, put them in water, and then the radishes I would cut them up and also store them in water because it keeps them fresh for longer, but I have to get back to work, so I will just leave it in there for now and do it later.
I had a nightmare one time. It was Benny and the Jets, and the part was like, Benny, Benny. It just kept on saying, Benny. It never hit the drop. 8 hours of me just staring at the wall with just Benny, Benny.
But never gets to,
Benny,
and the jet.
Benny, and the jet.
I'm running late. I'm about to go meet someone for a coffee outdoors safely. It feels good to just get out of the house after you've been working at the computer for a little bit. Ugh. So I've got on Outdoor Voices track pants and a Reebok shirt that I chopped. So that is today's OOTD. Time to go ride the moped. So So it's 5:40 now. I want to get a little bit more work done on my Simplify and Thrive course. And then I'm going to switch gears and work with Andrew on looking at his new health insurance because he just got a new job and they have really great benefits. And if I can hop over to his health insurance, that would be awesome because I currently have Oscar, which is like a few $100 a month, and my deductible is extremely high because it's really just catastrophic insurance. I think with this new plan, we'll be able to pay close to nothing, which would be amazing. I will check back in with you guys around dinner time. What are we eating for dinner? Do you want to pick health insurance? We are closing out the computer for the end of the day. This is what feels good. At the end of every workday, I just do a quick tidy up of my desk so that when I start the new day, it's a fresh slate. Oh, you made the broccoli well.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. I'm gonna eat my pad thai. Thank you for cooking. Today was definitely a good day. I love the days when I feel like I'm able to work efficiently, get the things done that I need to, while also getting outside, getting my movement in, and being able to meet up with someone for coffee in the afternoon. I'm gonna sign off on today's vlog, but I hope you all enjoyed following along for a productive day in my life. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.